Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everybody. Okay, students year 5 Zamin and 5 Nila. Welcome to year 5. So today we are going to learn English year 5. Okay, as we all know, you have got your new textbook. I hope you are ready to start our lesson with me, Teacher Amira. Okay kids, this is your textbook for this year, which is English plus 1 year 5. I hope you have got your textbook with you, and let's go. Before we start our lesson for today, I would like to tell you about the topics that we have in this textbook. Apakah topik-topik yang kita ada dalam buku yang baru ini? Okay, so the first one is starter unit. Okay, the second one is town and the cities. Okay, next is days. Okay, then you will have wildlife. Next, you are going to have learning world. And number 5, unit 5, you are going to have food and health. Okay, unit 6, we are going to have sports. Unit 7, we are going to have growing up. And the last topic for us for this year is going away. So, these are the 9 topics in the textbook for this year. So, I hope you are ready to catch up all the lessons within all the topics. Okay, so now for today, we are going to start with starter unit. Okay, for your information, starter unit is just like a revision for you. Okay, it mostly to test your vocabularies from your previous year. Okay, starter unit, okay, unit permulaan untuk membantu kita mengingat semula apakah pelajaran dan juga perkataan-perkataan yang sudah kita pelajari dalam unit ataupun tahun lepas di semasa kita di tahun 4. Okay, without further ado, I would like to start our lesson for today. So the objectives are, okay, number 1, write at least 10 over 15 words based on the pictures correctly. Number 2, read and fill in at least 4 over 7 blanks correctly to complete a text. Ini objektif pada hari ini. Jika kita dapat mencapai, maknanya pelajaran kita hari ini dapat kita laksanakan dengan baik. Okay, how do you know that you have achieved the objectives? So, when you are able to watch and try to understand the video. Second, copy down words based on pictures. 3, fill in 7 blanks correctly. So, you have to be able to do all of these 3 steps, then only you will achieve the objective. Okay, don't worry, I will guide you along the way as long as you are willing to try and finish your task. Okay, kids. Activity number 1 is activity vocabulary revision, which are the words that we have learned from last year, but we are going to say it again with the pictures. You may refer to the pictures, and it is actually from your textbook, starter unit page 4. Later, after the video, you may refer to your textbook if you want to be more, you want to understand the words or remember the words better. Okay, let's listen.
CD1. Starter unit. Vocabulary. Exercise 1. 1. Chatting online. 2. Reading. 3. Meeting friends. 4. Art. 5. Photography. 6. Cycling. 7. Sport.
Okay, kids, these are the audio from your textbook, which the audio has just say out 15 words from your textbook, page 4. Okay, so let's look at all the words now. Okay, these are the words that you have in your textbook, page 4. Okay, we'll start again slowly. Okay, the audio might be too fast for you. Okay, the number 1 is chatting online, reading, meeting friends, art, photography, cycling, sport, animals, music, video games, watching TV, films, skateboarding, cooking, and shopping. Okay, these are the words that we have learned during our year 4, and I think you have no big problem with the words since it's quite familiar to you all right now. Okay, so let's see what is the task. Okay, kids. Okay, this is from your textbook, page 4. Okay, the task is for you to actually match the words in the box with pictures, number 1 until 15. Then listen and check. Okay, that is the real instruction. Okay, but as for you all, I don't want for you to draw the pictures. Okay, tugasan yang pertama. Okay, dengar. Okay, dalam buku kamu, buku tulis. Okay, sila tuliskan nombor 1 hingga 15. Okay, write the number 1 until 15. And then you have to write the name of the activity based on pictures. Okay, berpandukan gambar, tuliskan nama aktiviti ataupun objek tersebut. Sebagai contoh, for example, number 1. Okay, you write chatting online. Okay, so spell correctly until number 15. You don't have to draw. Tak perlu lukis, cuma tuliskan berpandukan gambar di muka surat 4. I hope you are going to finish the task with flying colors. Okay, now the second task for you all, it is still based on the words that we have just listened just now. Masih lagi tentang perkataan yang kita belajar tadi, iaitu 15, yang masih ada dekat buku teks kamu. Okay, task 2, tugasan 2. Okay, selepas kamu selesai tugasan 1, okay, you can look at page 4, okay, task 2, okay, read and complete the text with the words in the box. Then, read, listen, and check your answer. Ini adalah latihan melengkapkan teks menggunakan perkataan yang diberikan. Okay, jadi, okay, what I want you to do is copy down all the passage in your exercise book. Salin perenggan ini ke dalam buku latihan kamu and fill in the blanks with the correct words. Dan isikan tempat kosong dengan betul. Okay, jawapannya sudah ada disediakan. There are answers for you there in the box. Okay, let's see bigger. This is the text. Ini adalah perenggan yang perlu disalin. Okay, kemudian the answer is in the box as you can see. Okay, photography, skateboarding, cooking, sport, reading, music, video games, and chatting. Okay, so before you are going to finish the task, you need to listen to what kids saying. Okay, bersedia untuk mendengar apa yang Kate akan katakan untuk memudahkan kamu mengisi dengan tepat. Okay, let's listen to
Starter Unit.
Kate.
Vocabulary. Exercise 2. Hi, I'm Kate. I'm 12 and I'm from Oxford in the UK. I'm into sport and I'm good at basketball. Apart from sport, I like music and chatting online. I'm not interested in shopping. This is my brother Jack. Jack isn't into sport. He's into video games, and his favourites are football games. Jack isn't on his computer 24 hours a day. He and his friends like skateboarding, but they aren't very good. Our parents, Jen and Ed, like books, and they're into reading. My mum is interested in photography, and her photos are really good. Our mum and dad are good at cooking. Italian food is their favourite. And you and your family? What are your hobbies and interests?
Okay, so itu adalah dialog Kate. Dan pada dialog tadi, kamu dapat mengetahui apakah perkataan untuk diisikan di tempat kosong. Okey, itu sahaja tugasan untuk hari ini. Yang pertama, tugasan menyalin. Okey, yang pertama, menyalin perkataan mengikut nombor 1 hingga 15. Okey, yang kedua, tugasan yang kedua ialah menyalin perenggan dan isikan tempat kosong dengan betul. That's all for today. I hope you are ready to do your task, and you can always ask in our WhatsApp group if you have any problem. Okay, that's all for today, kids. Okay, thank you for being with me. Okay, see you. Assalamualaikum.